Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case relating to the search assessments. The name of the case is Principal Commissioner of Income Tax versus Prominent Realtek Private Limited. This case has been reported in 451 ITR at page number 371 and the matter has been decided by Delhi High Court. In this case, a search was conducted on a Assessee, and in that search some documents relating to some other assessees were discovered and notice under section 153C was issued to other assessees also, on which the search was not made. The satisfaction note was prepared. In this satisfaction note it was mentioned that the documents have been found in the search and these documents belong to those assessees on which the department intend to proceed with the assessment under section 153C. But in that satisfaction note it was not recorded that how the incriminating material which was found in the search of the other assessee relate and establishes the undisclosed income of the other assessees, meaning thereby that the jurisdiction of section 153C mandates on the assessing officers to record the satisfaction that how the documents relating to the other assessees and the incriminating material has a nexus between them. It is the duty of the assessing officer to record in the satisfaction note that how the incriminating material has a nexus with the undisclosed income of the other assessees whose documents have been found in the search of an assessee. It is not sufficient to only mention in the satisfaction note that these documents belong to other assessee and you have a right to proceed with section 153C assessment, because it is very general practice that whenever you will go to search any assessee, then it may happen that some documents relating to some other assessees like bank statement, purchase bill, sale bill, copy of the balance sheet, confirmations and a lot of other documents can be there. But simply these documents are found in the search of an assessee does not entitle the department to go for initiating and completing the assessment under section 153C. So the satisfaction note should mention that how the incriminating material found in the search of an assessee establishes a relation and a link with the undisclosed income of the other assessees on whom the department wants to complete the assessment under section 153C. So in this particular case, the notice was issued to the assessee under section 153C. Only it was mentioned in the satisfaction note that these documents belong to you. So only on this basis the assessment for the 6 years cannot be completed. In this particular case, Delhi High Court, relying upon its earlier two judgments, the very landmark judgments on the section 153A and 153C assessments, both the judgments are worth reading. The name of the judgments are CIT versus Kabul Chawla. This case is of 2016, and Principal CIT versus Mita Gudgutia. These both two cases are very important. Although the department pleaded that there is a special leave petition pending in the Supreme Court, but Delhi High Court said that the judgment of the special leave petition is pending. So up to that time, whatever the judgments are available of the Delhi High Court, those judgments have the binding force and those judgments will equally apply in this particular case. Friends, the search proceedings are very cumbersome for any assessee and it gives the right to reopen the cases of the 6 years under the old regime. So whenever there is an administrative procedure, whether it is in the form of satisfaction note or recording of some reasons, that administrative act should be done in a very sensible manner, because that becomes the part of the procedure. If that procedure will not be followed, the assessing officer will not be in a position to determine that how these documents relate to the undisclosed incomes. Simply issuing the notice and completing the assessments in a haphazard manner it creates a chaos and it creates a lot of unnecessary litigation at the upper levels. So according to me, this case is a very landmark judgment on the assessment under section 153C. At the end of this deliberation, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Principal Commissioner of Income Tax versus Prominent Real Tech Private Limited, and this case has been reported in 451 ITR, page number 371. The matter has been decided by Delhi High Court and the date of the judgment is 12th July 2022. Thank you, friends.